this lecture, let us discuss about load testing. Load testing determines the behavior of application when multiple users use it at the same time. Say, assume that multiple users are using one application. At that time, behavior of the application will be determined with the help of this load testing. So, it is the response of the system measured under varying load conditions. So, what is the main focus here? It focuses on evaluating how this software application performs under expected and peak load conditions or when multiple users are using that application. So load testing, it's a type of performance testing that simulates real world load on a system or application to see how it performs under stress or how it performs under more load. So here the main goal is to ensure that application it should handle any number of users without performance degradation or without failure. So if more number of users are using an application, then there shouldn't be any failure or performance degradation. It should work well with less number of users as well as more number of users also. So that performance should be same. And load testing detects various issues such as slow response time, high resource usage, or system crashes, which occurs when application is subjected to standard load. So you can identify all these issues easily. And the system performance is measured and analyzed to identify any bottlenecks or issues that may occur. Advantages of load testing include first one is ensures application reliability. Here, load testing helps identify any potential issues that may occur under heavy load conditions like increased error rates or slow response times. So, this helps ensure that the system is reliable and stable when it is deployed or production. Then, cost effective. So, load testing it is more cost effective than fixing problems that occur in production. So we can say that it is a cheaper method to identify and fix issues during the testing phase rather than after deployment. And it improves user experience. So here it identifies and addresses bottlenecks, right? So by doing that, load testing helps ensure that users have positive experience when they use the system. So this helps in improving the customer satisfaction and loyalty. Disadvantages include the first one is resource intensive. So load testing it requires significant hardware and software resources in order to simulate large number of users or transactions. So this can make load testing expensive as well as time consuming and limited scope. So load testing it is mainly focused on performance of the system under heavy load, right, under stress, and it may not be able to identify all types of issues or bugs. So it's important to combine load testing with other types of testing like either functional testing, regression testing or acceptance testing in order to find out all types of issues and bugs. So that is scope is very limited here. It may not identify all types of issues or bugs. The third one is inaccurate results. So if the load testing environment is not representative of the production environment or the load test scenario, if it does not simulate real world usage, the results of the test may not be accurate. So there might be chances for getting wrong results or inaccurate results.